Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the SUUNTO application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon. Actually, let me close it and reopen it like this. Okay, and once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the watch icon in the top left corner to open the device page for your SUUNTO 9. And as you can see, the watch is syncing with the phone at the moment, but we can scroll down. And here we have option called Manage Connection. Tap on it. Here tap on Forget. Tap on OK. And the watch will be removed from the app. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here on the list of my devices you will see the SUUNTO 9 watch. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And now we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.